This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Luxurious all-brick home is centrally located in a one-of-a-kind upscale development. Spacious open floor plan boasts beautiful hardwood floors and is wonderful for entertaining family and friends. Huge kitchen with upgraded stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, wine fridge, pot filler above 5-burner gas stove, double oven, and custom exhaust hood is a gourmet chef's delight. Formal dining room with tray ceilings. Fabulous primary suite features an elegant bath and large walk-in closet. Upgraded carpet throughout the entire second floor. This home boasts impressive curb appeal. Step outside to a large screened-in patio with gas grill, outdoor kitchen burner, and an extended deck. Lawn maintenance is a breeze with front and backyard irrigation system. Centrally located to interstates and shopping. For more information, review the details below.